Hi guys, this is Abhiram. I'm teaching here on P-Reply. So you learn lots of topics like what is ADSR, what is pitch, what is timbre, why do two instruments playing at the same pitch sound different, what are bass frequencies, mid frequencies, what are high frequencies, what is tempo, basic music theory, triads, major minor chords, major minor scales, natural minor, harmonic minor, melodic minor, what is MIDI, what is Ableton Live, how to use the browser, how to use the transport, how to use Ableton in general. There's so many things to learn. I'm a basically trance producer. I've been ghost producing for a while now, and I thought let me share my knowledge on P-Reply. So P-Reply is a great platform. So what is Ableton device view? What is audio effect track? What is instrument track? What is sends, returns? What is a reverb? What is a delay? So many things. So we'll also learn how to work in the session view, what is the arrangement view, and many other things. So this is a trance beat going on here on the background. So I can teach you this trance beat and various other trance beats. A whole lot. What is sidechain compression? What is a compressor? What is multiband compression? What is saturation? What is clipping? And so many things. So I can't wait to share the knowledge with you. Have a great time.